For more than 50 years, Nucor has been built on a sustainable model of recycling to produce new steel and steel products. The decision Ken Iverson made to use EAFs changed the entire face of our industry and led to Nucor being one of the largest steel producers in the world, as well as one of the cleanest. While we produce more than a quarter of America's steel, our greenhouse gas emissions are less than 8% of the industry's total. Over the summer, we proudly announced comprehensive greenhouse gas emission reduction strategies and targets, and today we are announcing an exciting new line of steel products called Econiq. Econiq is a new net zero carbon emission steel product as measured by Scope 1 and 2 emissions, which are the direct emissions created during the steelmaking process and emissions from the electricity we use to power our EAFs.
The launch of Econiq is not the only exciting news that we have to share. I am thrilled to announce that we have our first customer. It's an iconic American manufacturer, General Motors. GM will start receiving Econiq products beginning in January of 2022. Over the past year, we have turned our focus to end markets where we have opportunity to grow our market share and partners that find value in what we offer, and finally, to investments that create that value. We are flipping our historical paradigm to focus on those end markets and partners where we can create long-term mutual success. And in this case, we are partnering with the nation's largest car maker to solve a marketplace challenge that will ultimately impact the communities where we live and work. This is a win for General Motors, for Nucor, and for generations to come. Econiq is going to be a key piece of General Motors' vision as they continue to reduce their carbon emissions throughout their supply chain and through electrification of their fleet. General Motors has committed to become carbon neutral in global products and operations by 2040, and it makes me proud to say that American-made Econiq steel will be used to help them achieve their goal. And this is just the beginning. We will partner with others as well, and our new Econiq products will not only help us lower our carbon footprint, but will also help customers achieve their sustainability goals and commitments. It will give them confidence and ease. Confidence that they are purchasing the lowest greenhouse gas emission steel product available, and ease of purchasing by asking for Econiq. The name Econiq is a play on two themes: Nucor's iconic place in the U.S. steel industry and the introduction of a truly unique, eco-friendly product, Econiq. In addition to the automotive sector, we believe that customers in other industries like renewable power generation, construction, and infrastructure will also be interested in purchasing Econiq products.
You may be wondering how we're able to offer a net zero carbon emission product. The Econiq products zero out any remaining emissions associated with our electricity use by utilizing 100% renewable electricity sources, plus purchasing high-quality carbon offsets to negate any remaining direct emissions generated during the steelmaking process. Nucor signed contracts for renewable electricity last year. Our participation in these projects made us the 7th largest corporate buyer of renewable energy in the United States in 2020. These contracts generate renewable energy credits that can be allocated to any product at any of our steelmaking facilities, negating emissions from electricity use. Similarly, we will purchase or internally develop carbon offsets that can be applied to our direct emissions at specific facilities. Today's announcement continues our history of innovation and our place as the steel industry leader. I know you're as excited as I am by this announcement. Our team has much to be proud of and has proven once again that Nucor teammates are the greatest manufacturing team assembled anywhere in the world.